everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be showing you viewers my 6-month update on my hair extensions. I reviewed this hair a couple of months ago. It's been 6 months. The hair, it was originally 613 blonde and I dyed it into ash blonde, and now I decided to change the color into light brown. So viewers, this color is Garnier Nutrice light brown. I will put a picture of the hair dye that I use, and I absolutely love this color. Getting closer to it, to the camera, as you can see, this color is giving me light brown. It's exactly what I pictured. Church, I basically dyed the hair from ash blonde into this chocolatey brown color, and this is the light brown color from Garnier Nutrice. After dyeing the hair, I washed, shampooed, conditioned and styled the wig. So if you are interested, stay tuned. And viewers, before I forget, this hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. You will get 20% off your overall purchase if you use my code ATIVELT20. I will leave my code up there for you viewers if you are interested. The Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, the website will be in my description box down below. And if you really love to know how I styled this wig into this beautiful, bouncy, sexy, beachy, wavy, stay tuned.